This thing that just happened could set me free. But why settle on one place when you could have the whole world?